For the self-hosted version, we have to set it manually into Google Cloud. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So first, you'll have the Web 2 connection option. We're going to select this one. And we have to fill the OAuth direct URL. You will have this one. You have to copy this and provide this into the Google Cloud. In our case here, we want the API of Gmail, and we want to get the client ID and client secret Gmail API to Google Cloud API. I am already logged with my profile, my Gmail profile. So now we're going to create a new project. Have to go to View API Manager. You arrive here, going into this right here, and then you set New Project, and then you can set the project that you want, the name of the project, and the location. For me, I already have a project, so I'm going just to select which project I want. For instance, can select the project, test project. And once you select it, we are fine to go to configure the credential after. We're going to enable the API that we want. So in here, you're going to search for Gmail API. You have the Gmail API right here. You have to enable it. So you click enable. Have a view right here with the Gmail API credentials. And in here, select an API, Gmail API. But as you can see here, there are many other API available. But for now, we're going to use a Gmail API. Accessing application data. We are going to go to the API and services, and then into web content screen. Click get started, hosted, for instance, but you can set in the name that you want. The support email is your email that you are connecting with. You click next, and next, the confirmation of information. Click next, click I agree and continue, and click. We are going into in here. We're going to add scope. So the first one is a Gmail read only. Add to table. Always add the scope in here in the data access audience. You can add user in here as a test user. And for us, it will be my email and save. And after that, we're going to go to client, our credentials, for our connection. So we're going to, and for the authorized redirection, you click into that, copy it, and then click into add URI, and paste it, and create it. And you have to copy it from here. To copy that, make sure to hide your client secret and sign in with Google to test if going to choose the Gmail music to continue. And as we're going to select everything, the read, the manage, and the view, and all this, and click continue, we have a connection successful. So we have Gmail account 3 Gmail OAuth API. Test if we can account. And it is right. We can get a message from the Gmail account as shown here. I have my email as output in my node. So the connection is successful. And GI, you have just to search for the API that you want in here. And then you can enable that and use the same process as before for setting those connections. Thank you for watching until the end. This video